Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2011. The given question is, okay, there are three languages L1, L2, L3, and which of the following is not true is the question. So let us directly solve these languages, and then we'll be moving on to the options, guys. Okay, so here there is P and Q, and there is no condition in between them, so both of them should belong. So I think it will be regular language, right? Yes, and when it comes to the second option, here we are having a condition P equal to 2. So I think we minimum need a PDA, right? Yes, and it might be deterministic as well, right? Yes, because there is no issue, right? This is 0, this is 1. Okay, and similarly when it comes to the last one, okay, so here we are having 3 variable comparison, so you need a minimum of PDA will not be enough. You need at least a linear bounded automata or Turing machine, right? Yes, so now let us check options. So we are in search of not true, right? Yes. So option A says that push down automata can be constructed or can be used to recognize L1 and L2. Yes. So if any particular language which can be accepted or which can be understood or recognized using regular language, that can also be used using push down automata or Turing machine or any powerful machine, guys. Got it? Yes. So that option is absolutely true. Moving on to option B. Okay, so option B directly says that L1 is regular. Yes, that's true. Option C says that all three okay. So it is saying all three languages are context free. That's absolutely wrong because L3 is not context free. Okay, moving on to option D. Option D says that Turing machine can be used to recognize all three languages. Yes, that's absolutely true. So Turing machine is the most powerful machine and it can accept almost all the languages, guys. Okay, so it doesn't think a lot about anything. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? Yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.